Having a nice gentle rain. It's hard to even see the rain because it's so gentle. But you can see it on the car and just the way the weather looks. It's pretty warm for February, but there's a cold breeze in the air. I'm just thankful we don't live up north. We're blessed to live in the south. You can see it dripping right there. Oh, the wind is howling. Well, sort of. It's just blowing hard, not really howling. I can hear the birds singing. They didn't all fly south because we were in the south. Being in South Carolina is pretty nice. Nothing could be finer than to be in Carolina in the morning, like the song says. I would sing it, but my throat is kind of hoarse right now from allergies. I think it's from the dry heat. I'm about to buy a vaporizer because I think it'll help. There it goes. Drip, drip, dripping. It's peaceful rain. Just what we needed. So we'll have some green grass once the weather gets warmer. Pretty quiet in the neighborhood today. It's a Sunday. Very relaxing. You'll have a blessed day.